Machine faults and their remedies.
I need a glass of water. Can you fetch me some from the fridge?
Right away, boss. Here.
Thank you. Now, there are common faults sewing machines undergo that can be fixed right away without further consultation. All you need is the right skills, which I am going to teach you right away. Some of the common faults include thread breaking, missing stitches, stitches looping, fabric puckering, needle breaking, and machine feeding the fabric through badly.
Okay, I was still jotting them down. I see. Anyway, let's go through them step by step.
That is what I mean to do. It is common knowledge that before you can solve a problem, you must first look for the possible cause or causes, right?
Yes.
Take thread breaking for starters. It can occur when the needle is inserted incorrectly due to wrong threading, blunt or bent needle, too tight tension, thread wound on the spool pin under the reel, using a needle with a defective eye which tears thread, or failing to oil the machine.
Wow. There's a lot of possible causes. Any solutions?
Use your brain, little man.
Oh.
The solutions come from the causes. You realize if you avoided some of the causes, then you wouldn't have faulty machines.
I get it. It means if you thread correctly, use sharp, straight needles, correct tension, and oiling the machine regularly, then the problem is solved and case closed.
Exactly. For missing stitches faults, causes may include using a needle that's too fine for threading, bent, blunt, and set the wrong way round. Pulling the work when machining and failing to oil your machine are also possible causes of missing stitches.
Therefore, the solutions would be similar as in correcting thread breakings, I guess.
And I agree. In addition, use the correct size of the needle and oil your machine.
And what can possibly cause a needle to break? Using too much force?
Not exactly. Needle breaking may result from using bent needles, sewing over pins, when machine is too close to the zip teeth, when the needle is not firmly fixed in place, or when fabric is too thick for the needle.
And in that case, then the remedy would be using straight needles, removing pins from the work before stitching, and fixing the needle firmly in place before stitching.
I couldn't agree more. Plus, using the correct foot for zigzag stitching as well as correct needle size should help avoid needles breaking. Stitches looping is caused by incorrect threading as well as upper and lower tension being too close.
And the solution?
Relax. To avoid such, ensure you thread correctly, use correct tension, and oil the machine regularly.
You mentioned fabric packing or something.
Fabric puckering.
Oh.
This is a wrinkled part in a tightly stitched fabric. It is commonly caused by needle too coarse for the fabric and stitches too long in case of very fine fabric.
And to avoid it, therefore, one should use the correct size of the needle and stitches, correct tension, as well as tissue underneath sheer fabrics.
Glad you are enjoying this. And finally, a problem may occur leading to the machine feeding the fabric through badly. This may be as a result of the feed dog being lowered, machine being in reverse motion, too short stitch length, applying insufficient pressure on the presser foot, or the fabric being held too tightly.
Don't ask me the remedies. You must have lost me somewhere along the way.
I guessed so. Alright, the solution here may involve lifting the feed dog, using the correct stitch length, guiding the work to move freely under the presser foot, as well as tightening the presser bar to have enough pressure.
After all is said and done, sewing is no joke.
And therefore, can only be done by people who like work.
I like work.
Then come back next week and show me what you are made of.
Consider that a deal. Okay. Bye, Miss Lupita, and thanks for your time.
Bye, Bwana James. See you next week.
See ya.